Hello dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today, we will do review exercise 2, question 8. Expand the following using laws of logarithm. Part 1, log x, y, z, power 6. By applying product law and power laws, we will solve this question. Part 2, log base 3, 6th root m, power 5, n, power 3. Again, by power law and product law, this expression will be expanded. Part 3, log square root 8, x cube. Try this question by yourself. Now, question 9. Find the values of the following with the help of logarithm table. Part 1, third root, 68.24. Let this value equal x and take log on both sides. By applying product law and power law, x becomes equal 0.6114. Lastly, take its antilog and we got 4.087. Part 2, 319.8 into 3.543. Let this value equal x, and take log of both sides. By applying product law, we got... Wait, क्या आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल MathifyX सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया? तो इंतजार किस बात का, अभी जाएं और बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करें. Got log x equal 3.0543. Lastly, by taking antilog, we got 1134 answer. Try part 3 by yourself. Question 10. In the year 2016, the population of a city was 22 millions and was growing at a rate of 2.5%. The function p into t equals 22 into 1.025 power t given the population in millions, t years after 2016. Use the model to determine in which year the population will reach 35 millions. Round the answer to the nearest year. From statement, given data as p into t equal 22 into 1.025 and 35 millions. So, take log of both sides. Apply product and power laws. By simplifying, we got t equal 20 years. So, in 2035, population will reach 35 millions. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. See you students.